Diwali is just around the corner, and brokerage houses are now releasing their list of top stock ideas for this Diwali that you can definitely incorporate in your stock investment portfolio. SBI Securities has come out with a list of 15 with top 3 stocks with up to 25% upside returns that you can invest in. The first stock that they have chosen for this Diwali is from the metals and mining space, and that's Nalco from the aluminium specific space. With a target price of 260 rupees, they expect on almost 20% upside into this stock. SBI Securities sees operational efficiency and production growth that's driving Nalco's performance. The stock currently trades at 6.1 times FY27 EV to EBITDA with strong demand recovery prospects, and that's why Nalco is their top choice from the metals basket. Now, when it comes to the auto space, Ashok Leyland is something that is definitely coming on their radar from the commercial vehicle space with a target price of 170. They believe the stock still can give you a 23% upside. SBI Securities believes there is margin improvement at Ashok Leyland led by lower input cost, favorable mix and pricing discipline as well. Currently, the stock, they say, is trading at 20.5 times FY27 earnings, therefore offers solid upside potential from the current levels. The third one that they have chosen within their list of top 15 stocks is Oswal Pumps. With a target price of 970, there's an upside of over 25% that you can look for in this stock. Remember, SBI Securities believes Oswal Pumps is projected to post over 30% CAGR growth in revenue and profits till FY27. Strong expansion plans and operating efficiency support is something that could lead to highest upside potential in the list of 15 stocks for this company.